video, I am going to show you how to hide the like count on your posts on the Instagram.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on your profile at the top of the screen, and after that select the post, and then you should tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of this section, and then you should tap on the hide like count button, which is the third option. And as you can see, the number of likes disappeared from this post, so you won't be able to see it, and it won't be shown to other users who check out your profile and posts. If you want to unhide it, just go back to the same section and tap on the unhide like count button, and then you will be able to see the number of likes below the heart icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.